I just wanted to, if you don't mind, just a couple more questions just on phase one, Steve, Sage, if you're still on. There was some confusion around the Kingfisher Pond. If you could just go back to clarifying exactly what's going to happen with tidying up that pond, please. Steve, are you still on?
Hello?
Hi, we can hear you.
Oh, good. The Kingfisher Pond, what specifically was the question about tidying up the pond?
So the overgrown vegetation and the weeds and the state of the quite a few times from residents previously.
Yeah, there has been some weed growth in the pond, which we'll need to consult with some kind of specialist to see how we remove that weed and if in fact it's the right thing to do at this point. The remainder of the pond it's pretty much how it is how it's always going to be. It's an existing pond. There was no requirement and no to do anything to the pond itself in respect of the existing trees and vegetation, other than perhaps manage any dead trees and or dead limbs, which we have done so far. But we will consult regarding the weed growth in the pond.
Thank you. There was also an additional question. Behind Grenadier Drive, there's a lot of ecological interest, wildlife, both plants and animals. What would happen to that?
Sorry, I don't know where Grenadier Drive is. Which parcel?
John, can you?
I'm just trying to figure out which one it is. I'm sorry, I don't have my map in front of me.
Actually, Grenadier is Grenadier not an apple, so it's is it Bloor? Sorry, I probably should know. Is Grenadier on Bloor?
It's not one I've heard of.
Grenadier Drive is on Bloor, yes.
So I guess actually this moves on to phase. It backs onto phase what will be phase 3 B development.
Hi, Councillor. Yeah, the hedgerows that relate to or are behind Bloors, they're being retained as part of phase 3B, so they will be retained, and there will be a buffer related to that. So that is part of the application within phase 3B.